Hello guys, this is Big Bear. Uh, uh, Today we have our blacksmith meltdown event. This is, I think, arguably the best event in Revolt 2. So we're just gonna melt down some items today, and that's just the main purpose of this video. So let's see how many pearls we can get in maybe 10-20 minutes. So first we're gonna go clear some chests. So we have 6 Uber chests. We can open these first. Uh, sure. So I'm gonna sell all those cheaper stuff, and I'm gonna melt down the more expensive ones. Okay, let's actually go clear this up. So okay, yeah, got one. So we're gonna boost first. Oh, that's a lot. So let's keep doing. So we were at 18,000 about. So yeah, let's keep going. So normally I will hoard these items. So I'll like hope for uh, a forging event to come soon, so that I can open his chest and get the pearls. What is this? Ah, wait, do I need some? Wait, it's fine. Now we're having some good progress. So I think we have some pro chests. We actually have 6. That's quite well. It's, let's start from the conquest. Zeros. Huh. The pull. Let me check if I actually need. So 35.2. It's the same one. I can. Yeah, I'll just. Well, I don't have enough gold. Let's sell something first. What can we sell? I'm just gonna sell this. Hammer's right. Uh, oh yeah. Wait. Did I? Okay. Wait, what? Okay, okay, nice. Okay, we actually have 2 gold chests if I remember correctly. We're gonna go open those first. Yeah, nice. Okay, let's see, we have enough room, okay? Yeah, this is quite nice. Okay, then back to the pro chest. Blood pumps, this is actually nice. Okay, I'll get this. What is this? Wait, let me check what okay, it's quite nice. Um I'm not gonna melt down that one. So we have a yeah, let's just okay, okay, not bad. Let's nah, actually I'm gonna abort because it's actually so okay. I want to get 8 pro items here so it looks good. So let's see what else we can melt down. Okay, yeah, probably done with this. There are a lot of good stuff. Just want to be careful. I don't want to melt down something that I would need in the future. It's kind of hard to decide. I don't know. Ah, this is a duplicate. Let me guess. Probably don't need this. Okay. So well, I have a lot of blood pumps, but I don't really wanna melt down because I really like that item. To be honest. Wait, should I replace anything? Because so I have 2 Apollon boots. Why don't I get rid of them? One of them. Okay. What is this? Necromancer? Okay. What is this? Sword ram. Yep. Nope. I don't need this. Okay, that's nice. Is there 10,000 pros here? Yeah, I think there is. Let's see. Yeah, there's over 10,000 pros. That's really nice. Let's see anything we can. Let me just double check if there's any chest that I can open. Let me just open these. Wow. golden Uber chest. Let's see. What? No. Let's, okay, that's nice. Legendary. Okay. Let's keep. Okay, let me just get these. So we were at 18,000 and now we're at 45,000. So we get like 27,000 pros now. Let's get let's try to see if we can get to 50,000. So that means we can prove that we can get 30,000 pros in like 10 minutes, I think. Like. But the problem is I don't. Okay, there's a duplicate. Okay, so upon lucky pouch, upon let me. Yeah, this one can be melted down. Uh, this one is actually quite mediocre. Let me just get rid of this one. Twist. Oh, this is actually a good item. I'm gonna use this. I didn't know I have had this. This is gonna assist me in using the earthquake spell. Hmm. So is start more morale more important, or is the leadership boost more important? For me, I'm gonna keep. I think I'm gonna keep leadership because it's permanent. But like for the morale boost, it's only at the start. So let me just melt down this one. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we got it. Oh, we melt down 10 plus items. Okay. Let's see. Should we forge something? Yeah, we're gonna forge this later. Maybe to forge until it's over 75 times, so we can unlock the second slot. Also, guys, so after the update, there's this multi-forge perk, multi-forge feature, and yeah, just let you guys know this one. This is actually not good because after you so like if you actually forge like you're actually spending an extra 104 gems if you actually use this feature, because like if you just forge this one time, it's just gonna. Wait, let me show you guys. So if you forge, you're not spending any gems, but if you forge with this feature, even just, it's kind of misleading because it says every second forging, but it's not. First, it's not. It doesn't happen every time. You don't have to like forge a second time to get there. And secondly, you actually don't have to wait. So if you see, if I spend these gems, I'm actually forging it, and I still have to spend 104 gems. So the 104 gems I just spent is just gone to waste. So this is not a good feature. Or yeah. Okay. I think so. Thanks for the chat. Well, sure. Um, okay, guys, this is it for the video. Uh, we'll update soon. Thank you, guys.